Hey YouTubers, Renny here. I know it's been a while, but here we are. I've got a new video for you. I got into an accident and damaged my front bumper, so I'm going to replace all that, and I'm going to go through all the steps on how to do that with my 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. Doesn't have all of the other little plastic pieces on it, that you see, but it does have a valance on the top of the bumper, and that's one piece where the unclassic models, the newer models, same year and forward, have the little, I don't know, teardrop thing on the side underneath the headlights. So in all the videos I've seen, they have that kind. So first thing I did was I've taken off this cowl here. That's just some push pins, some Christmas tree pins. I would say spend the $15, $10 O'Reilly's. Get this little pin popper there, push pin popper. It makes things way easier than using a screwdriver. But excuse me, I'll after that we got to take out some I think they're some bolts to get the grill out. I'll be right back. Okay, so you see I had that plastic piece removed here. There are 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see that one actually got cracked, and I cracked the grill here too. So I'm going to be replacing the grill later on here. I got that little ding in my hood, and so I'm going to have that worked on by a friend, but his name is Dale Renny. He does excellent work down here in Salisbury. But I'm going to take off those, and then there's just some clips down here that hold that grill into place, kind of open it like a door. All right, now come on. Get out of there. For all of you guys in mechanic school, if their college or whatever certification program pushes a certain brand of tools, like Snap-on, looking at you, NASCAR tech, don't do that. Go to a flea market. Holy crap, I could have got I bought one ratchet for like $100 from Snap-on, as opposed to getting a whole tool set from a flea market. So just get out of here. Get yellow jackets. I hate them. There are 4 types of bees. You got to know them. There's bumblebees. There's honeybees. There's wasps, and then there's a-holes with wings, otherwise known as yellow jackets. Okay. This here is all real time. Let's put these somewhere that I am going to lose them. Top of the garbage can sounds good. All right. Now, ooh, that's coming out nice. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. So down here, you see these clips, these clips here. That's what's holding that bottom piece in, and they slide right into there. That's what they slide into. All right. So that was easy. We'll set that right there. Stay. Okay. There's that. So now, got to get the headlights out so we can take this valance or valiance. I don't know what you call it. It's a plastic piece, dress up. We're going to 1, 2 there, and I believe I have to go in behind the tire here, and there's a little door. Oh, yep, right there. There's the little push pin. There's the door. And I got to pop this plastic piece up to release it from, I can't even see it, but it's going to be difficult. So, and I'm going to need 2 hands. So when I figure all that out, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I had to sit down for this one. So I turned my wheel all the way to the right. This is on the driver's side. All right, I popped this little push pin out, pulled the door back. Sorry, camera, I'm just doing this on the fly. Pull that out, and then if we look, this guy right there, that little white tab, little elbow sticking out at you, you just, let me show you here. It's hard. So, okay, so if you take and push the bottom of that up, it's already been pushed up. You can see where the little lines are, where it used to sit at the top, that little white piece. But here, let me show you in just a second. There you go. Okay, you can still see. That's locked in, and then with my thumb, I press straight up. And it's kind of hard to see when you first trying to figure that out because these wires are in the way and it doesn't really give you a good picture. But that was pretty simple to figure out once I figured out where it was. So I pop that up, and then I got to take out those couple of screws. They're 10 millimeters. Oh, get up. Okay. There it is. Okay. So I got to pop out this guy and this guy, and the headlight should come out. Don't change directions on me now. All right. How long? Come on. How long are you? Let it go. Let it just come on now. Okay. Well, let's do it some more then. I'd be called a shade tree mechanic, but I don't have a shade tree I'm parked under right now. I'm a driveway mechanic. Okay. We're still going. Is it done? Is it done? No, it's not. It's almost there. If I do have a drill, I'm just too lazy to get it. Oh, maybe. Yes. Okay. We're gonna put them over with the. Come on. Okay. Maybe sit down the ratchet. We're gonna put. Come on. This over. Will you just come out? Yes. Perhaps. I just want to finish the sentence. Okay, well, we're going to put it over on the garbage can. I thought it was going to be easier than that. That washer keeps messing me up. It's hard to get your fingers on these things, buddy, I'm telling you. There it is. Okay, there's that one. Okay, I don't think this one's gonna be as long. We'll see. Nope. All right. Well, okay. There we go. There's that guy. Does it come out? Does it? Does it? Oh no. Oh wait, I forgot one. I think there's another screw right there maybe. That could be it. Let's find out. So nope, it's not that one. It is, I don't know, let's see if I can get the peepers on it. So there, wait, what's what happened? Okay, that's the one I said it might be. It's not. It's that one right there. And you see that nut is welded on, so you have to get on the other side to get that bad boy out. It's a 10 millimeter. So listen, dudes and dudettes, you're gonna get that screw out, and let me tell you, it's not easy. I had to you're not gonna be able to get it reaching through that little doorway that I was telling you about, right? That was right here, you know. So I just took another screw out, and then there's a push pin that's right there. Pulled it down, dropped this wheel well, and got up in there. Yeah, I spent like 30 minutes doing that. Not really, but you know, long enough, too long. And then, so you're gonna have to take out an 8mm there and another 8mm, and one of them is hooked onto that valance. But once you get that done, and you get that last bolt out, you're gonna think that there's another bolt in there. It's not. It's a placeholder. It's this little ball-looking thing that snaps into place. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take. I took my handy dandy pushpin popper and put it right here, and then you're gonna pry on the other side of the light bulb, or of the headlight, like that, and it's gonna pop out. And when it does, you'll see the ball. That's the ball, and it hooks right into there. And then it's going to come out, and then you're going to drop the headlight, and this is going to pop out, which is just a push pin. But you just need to unhook your headlight right here, and that keeps wires from being damaged and whatever. But after that, there's one more. You thought you were done over here. Nope, there's one more. Get out of here, Yellow Jacket. Okay. Right here, you get to it from this side, and that'll release that. All right. And then let's see, there's another. It makes it a lot easier getting that headlight out to get these guys out right here. I've already taken this one out. I gotta get this one out, so I'm gonna have to take the headlight off. I don't have to. You know, it just makes it a heck of a lot easier getting all of this out of the way. But I don't have a metric wrench, so I had to use a crescent wrench, or not crescent, an adjustable wrench, and get that out. And then I'll have to, that one's already taken out, so I have to take that one out and do it all over again on this side. And then we'll be one step closer to getting all this out. All right, we got Annie Sloan out here doing some ratcheting.
What are you doing?
It's a video. Taking out the lower headlight bolt. Okay guys, so I got the other headlight out, and as I was getting it out, I noticed that both of the mounts, this is the lower one, broke during that wreck that I was in. So I'm gonna have to pray right now that it should be fine until I get a new headlight from, you know, and for that to happen, I'm gonna have to get that money from insurance. But neither here nor there. Got the headlight out, and now I've got to do the same thing to get that other screw out, to get the valance off, and then we'll work on the grill. Not the grill, the bumper. All right, so a little update. You know how I complained so hard about how that backward facing screw or bolt was hard to get out? Yeah, I'm learning like everybody else on this channel here, and you don't have to do that, because that is for mounting the quarter panel and keeping it in place. So all I did was I opened that door down here. See that? Yeah, there it is. And you know, got my fingers and my ratchet up in there and undid this one, and then these two little pins come out. And now I can just gave out a yank there. Come on, give it. There it is. There we go. All right. Boom goes dynamite. Okay. Now we're gonna move on to some more stuff we got to take off. All right. Let's get at it. Okay, so, oh, help me, baby Jesus. Oh, God. All right. Get comfy now. You're gonna be down here. Nope, that's not, okay. So, I got the truck on the ramps, and we're under the truck. Ooh, that's fancy. Okay, so, there's a couple things here. Let's turn it around so you can see it. All right, so, where are we going? Okay, we got those little push pins there, and then if you look, we got the bolts there. That's if you want to take that off. You don't really have to, seeing as I got the truck on ramps now and I'm on my creeper, we are going to 1, 2, 3. Got to take that out and got to do that on the other side here, right here. So there's that, and then the bumper will come off. So I gotta make sure there's no, do you guys see any sensors here? I do not. Nope, and nope. All right, well then, carry on. Whoa, is that too cool?
Do you want to see this?
Yeah.
Watch. It will move.
What?
It will move.
That's cool, buddy. Let's see if it does it. Is it going to do it? Wow, look at that. Okay, guys, so those were 18 millimeter. And I just took a 1/2 inch, and once you start loosening up, you can spin them right off. You should be able to anyway. But funny story, haha. I didn't notice this, but until I went to go put a ratchet on here, but that's flat, and that's not. And it's hard to see right there, but when you come over here, you know, yeah, that's a little bent. Just a little. That's not how it's supposed to be, is what I'm saying. So I guess I'm gonna try and beat the snot out of it, heat it up maybe. But you know, that's not really the purpose of this video. But to get it back on, you just do the reverse. You put the new bumper on and put the bolts on, and then yeah. Now if you're going to, I would recommend taking the bumper off like I did right here, and then coming back and getting all those little bolts and push pins out. You'll spend a lot less time on your back. But yeah, so all we're going to do after this is do everything I just did in reverse, aside from me fixing that, which probably not going to record that because, you know, first time for everything. Okay, so after beating on that, my buddy Renny came over, helped me beat that. See, you can't just unbolt these, like, it's really in there. They welded that into place, so there's no bolts to unhook to replace a bumper bracket. You either gotta cut it off or make do with what you got. So I took a torch and heated it up a little bit, and it's straighter. You know, can't really get up there, but you see, I might put some washers behind that. I think I will, but you know, that one's pretty straight. So like I said, we're just gonna do everything in reverse order. I think you guys are hopefully smart enough to figure that out. All right, there's the final product. Now I am going to have to do some of this over again because this guy's a little floppy in there, because of both of those mounting brackets busted. Also for the cowl underneath here, that one, you don't have to take any bolts out. I'll show you over here on the old one. The bolts hold in these brackets right here. So all it is a bunch of push pins. It's like 10 of them. A bunch of push pins down here at the bottom. That was really easy to take out and put back on. But yeah, so there it is. Looks pretty good. All right, and don't forget, whether you look to the left or to the right, you will hear a voice whispering behind you saying, "This is the way." Isaiah 30:21.